Hold on tight. That's how we roll.
Very high.
That's a very high.
I think it's because there's no system underneath you. I think that's making it worse.
Yeah. The view's lovely. Giraffes, we can see giraffes.
Let's see what I know. Oh no, don't like this.
Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh boy. Ooh. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, Jesus. Oh my. My eyes are watering. That was so much fun. Oh.
I don't know if it's because I'm getting a little older now. But going over that topic where it was just dangling, I really didn't like it.
I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna die. That was so cool. That was really good. So up here, I think.
Got one there and one there. Oh, I can't hold on there.
I think you got her.
Hold on with this one.
Really?
That's might not even hold on.
Okay, insano person. Oh boy. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, that's weird.
That was fine until that last bit. How are you doing?
Oh, not well after that. Oh, that's brisk.
That's pretty quick.
It's a very enthusiastic lift hill, and I don't feel very secure.
Here we go.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh Jesus! Fucking hell. Oh my god.
quite back row, but we're on Kumali.
Yeah, we're kind of like towards the back, but that's fine.
Actually, a lot higher than what I remember.
Yeah, Phil. Yeah, it's. Oh my god.
Oh.
It's a certain jankiness to it. Nice view.
Yeah, very nice view. Oh, I don't like that bit. I don't like that bit.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Woo. Woo. Oh boy.
That was actually pretty smooth.
That was alright, yeah, short and sweet. There's some nice height to it, it was good.
I think because we've just come off Infusion at Blackpool,
Yeah.
that feels a bit, this feels a lot less janky.
Yeah, is it pretty much the same?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sit back with your head firmly against the headrest. Please sit back.